Alright, so today we're going to start winterizing the camper. First thing we're going to do is drain out our hot water tank. So for clearing the water out of the lines, I'm going to go with the blowout method. So I have the Camco blowout plug. I have a oil-free compressor. You want to make sure you have an oil-free, you don't be blowing oil down your lines. Regulator is set to 40 psi. That way we don't damage any of the lines. And let's actually crank it up just a little bit. There we go, we're right about 40 now. And then we're going to be all set. We'll hook it up, we'll blow the lines out one at a time. I'll show you how we do that. So we're going to take our blowout and stick it right here into our city water connection. So make sure we don't cross the threads as we're doing that. Get it hand tight. And then next we're going to hook up our air to it. And as we can see, when we pulled out our drain plug, the water is flowing on out now, getting pushed out by the air. So while we have the anode rod out, we'll check it for wear. As you can see, this one does have a little wear, but it is still most of it there, so there's nothing to worry about. As it gets smaller, we will have to replace it. So we will also get off the old Teflon tape and put on some new Teflon tape, so that way it'll seal up good and we'll be ready for next year. Now we're going to put our anode rod back in and cinch it back down, and this part will be done. So we now got to come inside. We need to turn off the hot water bypass to the tank so we can finish draining all the rest of the lines. We're next going to come on in and open up our low point drain. Alright, so now we're going to come inside, open up the lines, and let the air push all the water out. Do it. All right, and now we'll move on to the next one. Make sure you don't forget to do your toilet. Also want to make sure we get a shower. Also want to make sure we get it down to our shower head. Another place you don't want to forget There's your outdoor showers. On my particular unit, there happens to be 2 showers, so always make sure you hit all your different water connections. So last, we need to protect all of our drain lines, so we'll pour some RV antifreeze down those. And when protecting all your drain lines, don't forget your black water tank and your toilet. You're going to want to leave some in the bowl just above the drain for the toilet to protect the seal. And there you have it. The trailer is ready for winter. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. And if you have anything that you think you would have done differently, please leave it in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video.